Algebraic formula expansion of square part 3, problem set 50. Example number 3 is like the example number 1, so you can solve it. Now example number 4, x minus 2 upon x whole square. First term square, x square minus 2 multiplied by first term x multiplied by second term 2 upon x plus second term square 2 upon x. Now the square of x is x square minus this minus sign, 2 into 2 4. We can cancel this x to x, so only 4 will come here, and the square of the 2 is 4 and the square of x is x square. So this is your answer. Now here ax plus by is given. Same formula again you have to use. Square of the first term ax square plus 2 multiplied by first term ax multiplied by second term by plus the square of the second term by. So a square x square, the square of the both variables, a square x square plus 2ax by, 2abxy. For our convenience we can write like this, or you can write axby also, plus the square of both variables b square y square. This is your answer. Now 7m minus 4 whole square. Square of the first term minus, because minus sign is here, means this formula you have to use. Write the as it is minus sign. Then 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term plus the square of the second term, this plus sign. Remember this, if the given example has minus sign, you have to write the minus sign here and plus sign here, because when we find out the square, that time the product always get the plus sign of the negative numbers. So square of the 7 is 49, m square minus 2 into 7 is 14, 14 4s are 56, m plus the square of the 4 is 16. Now the 7 and 8 example, x plus 1 upon 2 whole square. Again the square of the first term plus 2 into first term into the second term plus the square of the second term, x square plus 2 into 1 is 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 we can cancel it, we will get only x here. Then plus the square of the 1 is 1, the square of the 2 is 4. So this is our answer. A minus 1 upon a whole square. The square of the first term, minus sign is here, so minus 2 into first term into the second term plus the square of the second term. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and this a will get cancelled. So only 2 we have to write, the a square minus 2 plus the square of the 1 is 1 and a square. Understood this first question? Now the question number 2. Which of the options given below is the square of the binomial 8 minus 1 upon 6? So you have to expand this given expression so you can understand which option is correct. So write the formula, minus sign is here, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The square of the first term minus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term plus the square of the second term. The square of the 8 is 64 minus 2 8s are 16 upon x plus the square of the 1 is 1 and x square. So the correct option is third one. Okay. Question number 3. Now here expansion is given. Of which of the binomials given below is m square n square plus 14m n p q plus 49p square q square. So here plus sign is there. So the formula is a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So according to the formula, we should write the square of the first term. So first term should be mn only. So here mn is there, but here 7 is there. So this option is wrong. Here is mn. And here also m and p are there. So this is also not correct. So we can find out with the second and fourth option. Now the middle term here, 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term. Here you can see here 49 is the square number and 49 is the square of 7. So in the second term there should be 7. So here in the second option 7 is not there, but 7 is here. So it may be correct. So we will expand this mn plus 7pq. According to the formula, if we expand it, we will get the square of the first term m square n square, then 2 multiplied by mn multiplied by 7pq, means 2 sevens are 14 mn pq, plus the square of the last term, 7 sevens are 49 p square q square. So this option is correct.